Hey guys, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech. Today we're checking out the Soundpeats Air3 Deluxe Wireless Earbuds. The latest chip technology jammed into a stem style earbud with open ears. And I'm really excited about this because I'm usually an inner ear earbud sort of guy. So we're gonna check these out, unbox them here shortly. But first, you can't make this channel happen without you. So if you could, head down below, throw me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that little bell so you get notified every time I got a new video coming out. And full disclosure, sometimes I buy these products and sometimes companies send them to me to review, but I always give you my honest opinion, so you absolutely want to stick around to the very end for the pros and the cons and see if it gets my full buy now recommendation.
That's pretty cool, I guess.
Now let's get these bad boys unboxed. All right, so we're unboxing the Air3 Deluxe earbuds from Soundpeats. Apparently I'll be able to hear my imagination with these. Love the box, but hey, you know what? You guys don't want to stick around and watch an unboxing. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Okay, and this is everything that comes in the box for the Air3 Deluxe wireless earbuds. First, we've got the USB-C charging cable, and you are going to need this because this is not a Qi wireless charging case. I have a card introducing me to the Soundpeats app. So I guess I'll go to the App Store on my phone and download the app. We'll check that out. I've got an instruction manual that I will want to check out to make sure I can get to that latency mode that they offer, as well as the basic controls for the Air3 Deluxe earbuds. We have the case. Now on the case, I've got a cool Soundpeats logo and hinge here on the back. It's very shiny. Might show a few fingerprints here and there, but overall very slick. It's going to fit in my pocket real easy. There's a reset button there in case you want to do like a hard reset on these. Let's open the top. So we've got a pretty firm snap on that lid, so it's magnetically held on. No shaking loose. See green there, so I've got a full charge in the case. And the earbuds are firmly ensconced in here, and let's see how easy they are to get out. Okay. So, I was able to fish them out, but my Old Man New Tech hands sometimes have a little bit of difficulty getting these earbuds out of cases like this. We're going to put the earbud back in there so I can show you guys the bottom here. I've got a USB-C port on the bottom. Back to the earbuds. They are flat black matte finish, which I love because that doesn't show fingerprints. Again, these are open ear earbuds, so they are not silicone tipped. They're not going to fit inside my ears all the way into my ear canal, so I will be able to hear ambient noise around me. But hey, pretty simple, clean look to it. I really dig it. But that's pretty much it. I mean, very simple. Love Soundpeats in their simplicity. They do earbuds really good and really simple. Now let's get these synced up, and I will tell you how they sound. I'll tell you what, I didn't know that I really enjoyed open ear earbuds, so I'm really not used to them. I'm used to the inner ear earbuds with the ear tips that go inside the ear canal. So these kind of rest inside my ears. They gave me a totally different sensation. And I want to tell you, if you're watching this video right now, so as of the date of the posting of this video, so check that out down below, Soundpeats is just releasing the Air3 Deluxes. So they gave me a promo code. I'm shooting that down below with an Amazon link that you can go to and get the best pricing on this right now. You're going to find it for under 40 bucks. Out of the gate, I'm not bearing the headlines on this. I was actually very impressed with these earbuds. I mean, they've got a sleek design, and with the open style on them, I was still able to hear my family and friends talk to me when I was doing things around the house. So they're not as isolating as your typical inner ear earbuds. So after using these for a couple weeks, I guess I have the idea that I actually need two different types of earbuds, the inner ears and the open ear earbuds. So let's talk about the specs. So the Soundpeats wireless earbuds, the Air3 Deluxe models, sport the latest Qualcomm technology. They're QCC3040 chips and they're aptX adaptive. Also, we've got Bluetooth 5.2, so you're getting great connectivity, and I had zero connection issues. I mean, I was able to walk around my house. I was able to even go outside for a little bit with my phone left indoors. I was able to get a good 50 to 60 feet away from my transmission source and have zero breakup issues. Because Soundpeats put the latest chip technology into the Air3 Deluxes, I've got low latency game mode and fantastic sound separation. You're going to be happy to know that Soundpeats put true mirroring into these earbuds so that you'll be able to take one out at a time and use it if you want to and swap them back and forth. And the low latency mode means that you'll be able to do the latest gaming, and I was able to do editing on my phone because usually I can't use earbuds when I edit because there's a lag in doing the editing and the sound. Very important, at least on this side of the camera. And checking out the case, you know, I noticed it's shiny, so it does show a few fingerprints here and there. Maybe the white one won't show as many. But the case provides 3 to 4 charges, so I was able to get 5 hours of usage out of the earbuds themselves. Charge them 3-4 times in there, you're able to get about 22 hours total out of the earbuds in the case. That doesn't exactly blow me away, but there's a reason for it, and that's because the drivers inside the earbuds are over 14 millimeters in size. So that's a pretty large driver for an earbud. And I can see how that could affect the battery life. Also, going into low latency mode can affect the battery life too. Maybe bring that 5 hours down to 4.5 hours. Now the Air 3 Deluxes also come with in-ear detection, so these little suckers know when they're in and out of your ears. They'll stop what you're watching or listening to once you pull an earbud out of your ear and then start back up when you put it back in.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
Now the earbuds are IPX4, and what IPX4 means is that you'll be able to get them wet through sweat or maybe splashing or rain, but you're not going to want to submerge them in water. And finally, Soundpeats has released an app. Yes, Soundpeats, the budget earbud company, they've released an app that supports all of their newer products, including the Air 3 Deluxe wireless earbuds. Now, as far as the comfort of the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe wireless earbuds, this is one of them right here. They are incredibly comfortable. I mean, they barely feel like they're there. I'm not used to using open ear earbuds, but once I get them in, man, I barely notice that they're there, and they fit in nice and snug. Now, I understand this style of earbud's not for everybody, but I'm lucky enough that I can use both styles of earbuds. Now, since these kind of like cradle inside the outer part of your ear, I'm not gonna be able to shake them as much as I shake a lot of the other inner ear earbuds, but hey, let's give them the old man new tech shake test anyways. Whoa, whoa guys, okay, I got a little bit dizzy there. So anyways, I was able to shake them quite a bit and they're not coming loose. So I think it should be good for jogging, walking, and working out. But again, no swimming. They're IPX4, can't submerge them. And back to the Soundpeats app, I was able to use the app for customized equalization. The app even has a test for your own hearing. Now, when it did test out and it recommended settings for me, I wasn't crazy about them. I like to adjust my equalizer settings myself, but I'm able to adjust my bass levels. It also comes with preset settings that you'll have a fun time playing with, but really out of the gate, they sound great. And what I like about having an app is that you're able to download the latest firmware settings. So we covered the app, case, and the fit. Let's talk about the sound. The sound itself, I tell you what, if you're a bass head, I'm a bass head. If you guys watch this channel, you know that. I love the sound of the Air 3 Deluxe, and I tell you why. I was preparing myself to be disappointed with the sound because I'm used to that inner earbud sound. Now, there is a difference. Even Soundpeats offers different models with the inner ear, but with these Air 3 Deluxes, they managed to pack a very large driver in there to compensate for the fact that you have an open ear earbud. So I really got dynamic sound out of it. The bass was powerful and forward, but that really didn't drown out the mid-ranges, and the high-end frequencies were crisp and clear with zero breakup. And by the way, guys, these earbuds are very loud. Be careful when you turn up the volume on them. You don't want to damage your hearing. Now, as far as the sound stage goes, well, they are open ear, and I tell you what, it kind of plays into the fact that you have a very open sound stage with the sound on these earbuds. I really feel like when I listen to these that I'm in a large open area. Now, these are 4 microphone earbuds, and when you do make phone calls, you are getting absolutely stunning phone call clarity. So I'm going to give you guys a sample right here, and I want to hear what you think about the sound quality in the comments down below. All right, so you're listening to the microphone quality of the Air 3 Deluxe Earbuds from Soundpeats. Now, there's a lot going on here in the background. I've got an airplane flying overhead. I've got birds chirping. There's the Old Man New Tech headquarters. So you should be hearing my voice coming through loud and clear with some of that background noise in the background. So I want to know what you guys think about the microphone quality, and just let me know in those comments down below. So yeah, I want to know what you guys think about the sound quality. Let me know what you think in the comments. But with that, I'm going to roll right into my pros and cons and give you my final recommendations on the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe Wireless Earbuds. The pros: Soundpeats have put together another stunning offering to the market of a budget earbud that is easy to use, simple, but sounds great. Incredibly functional, and the soundstage is really dynamic. I really enjoyed the sound of these. Another pro is the latest chip technology, which will keep your sound separate and beautiful, as well as your connection stable. And the addition of 4 microphones to these earbuds gives you fantastic call quality. And having an app, guys, I mean, that is something that you don't find with budget earbuds. And did I mention the price? You know, they're bringing all of these features in at a budget price. And I'm throwing an Amazon link down below, but you will be able to get these for under 40 bucks right now with the coupon code. So check those notes out down below, apply that code, and you'll be good to go for under 40 bucks. You're really getting a lot for your money with these earbuds. Now the cons. Cons I have are minor ones, but notable nonetheless, as they always are. But the cons are, they went a little overboard with the sleek design. I love the fact that I can fit these into my jean pockets, but, and you can see this here, that shiny finish on these is starting to show a few fingerprints, and you'll see some smudging from, you know, natural oils on your hands as the day goes along. Another con, and this is not really a con so much as the app mentions some active noise canceling. So if you see active noise canceling on the app, I believe that is for the other models that you can tie into the app. And finally, these would be the perfect earbud if they only had a Qi wireless charging feature with the case. I would love to be able to just plop this down on a charging pad and walk away from it, but you'll still be utilizing your Type-C charger like a caveman. So, I mean, really, that's it. These are solid earbuds, great price, great sound, and I have no choice but to give the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe Wireless Earbuds a massive buy now recommendation. Now, I've already got these in. I've already got them synced up to my phone. I'm gonna head outside, jam a little bit out on the boat, and I'll check you guys later. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.